We're in Aurora, Colorado in the Aurora Highlands neighborhood, taking a look at homes by Bridgewater Homes. We're standing in the Hudson, beautiful home. Stay tuned. You'll want to take the tour with me. Welcome inside. So first coming in, we're in this nice little foyer area. Off to the right here is where you're going to find your home office. Coming right over here, you're going to find your laundry room. Also, your entrance in from your garage over here. Now, before we head out and check out the main living space, we're going to take a little jaunt over this way where we're going to find a full bathroom and a bedroom. Windows looking out towards the front of the home there. All right, nice view of the railing here. Going down into the basement. We'll be checking that out in just a bit. It is finished. And then welcome into your main living space. Absolutely gorgeous kitchen island here. 3 chairs comfortably pulled up, decorated really beautifully. Pantry right here in the corner. Do you want to mention this model is for sale, and the price as of today when we're filming, $1,149,990. All right, if we come back this way, we're into the dining room space. Sliders there leading out into your covered deck. And from this particular home, you do get a wonderful mountain views looking across the whole front range. Just want to point that out since this actual home is for sale. All right, coming over here into the great room. Nice size yet cozy great room. Tiled fireplace. Great big ceiling fan in here. Lots of good vibes going on in this house. All right, linen closet here. Coming into the primary suite. Nice big bedroom, ceiling fan in here, and love this little window bench seat. Cozy room. And the floors are engineered hardwood floors. They're really beautiful. All right. Coming over this way, we are into the bathroom. Double sink vanity, again, really cute tile all the way up to the ceiling. Across from that, we find the shower, rain shower head in there. Again, tiled to the ceiling, little window in there, letting in some natural light. All right, this side you're gonna find your toilet closet. And across from that, look at these cute built-in shelves. I'm going to let you get back in here and check out the walk-in closet. All right, that does it for the main floor of the Hudson. We're going to head back out this way to the stairs and go check out that finished basement. Okay, welcome to the basement. We're actually going to head back this way first. Back in here, we're going to find a bedroom. They have it set up as like a craft room in here. A little closet back over that way. All right. Bathroom. Bedroom. Isn't this fun? Check it out. What kid wouldn't love this? Alrighty. Pointing it out because this actual house is for sale. So you buy this house, you get that. Now, of course, you could also have this home built too, to your specifications. Okay. And here we are into the main bonus area. Pretty incredible basement bar down here. How fun. All right. Room for your pool table, or in my case, it'd be ping pong. I have ping pong in my basement. And then, you know, plenty of space to set up your TV area for movie night, watching the game, all that stuff. Okay. Again, my name is Courtney Murphy, Denver Metro Realtor. We're in Aurora, in the Aurora Highlands neighborhood. This home is built by Bridgewater Homes. If you'd like this house or want to check out their other floor plans and models out here, give me a call. Love to meet you out here, see if these are the right homes for you. If not, help you find that right home. I have a ton of experience in new built home sales. Would love to walk by your side through the process and help you save a little bit of money on your new built home with my closing cost credit. And of course, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my home tours. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you have a wonderful day.